How to find offensive comment settings on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find offensive comment settings on Instagram Lite. First thing, open Instagram and here you will find your profile. Click on it and then click the storylines in the top corner, and here you will find settings and then click this one, privacy, and then comments. And as you see here, you will find it, hide offensive comments, and you can turn it off or on. That's it, just by one click, and then just go back. It will be saved. And as you see, that's how to find offensive comments on Instagram Live. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.